Want to sew an invisible hem? Can your machine do this? Let's unlock the professional blind hem stitch using the SewLaVie 1130. First, snap on the blind hem foot and select stitch 7. Fold and press your hem. Then fold it back so only a small lip is exposed. Line up the fold with the foot's adjustable white guide and sew. On the right side. The stitches are practically invisible, just tiny dots. With matching threads, it disappears completely. We can also do a professional twin needle hem. Install the twin needles. Fold your fabric and align the edge with the center of the foot. Beginners can use a seam guide for extra precision. The front shows clean parallel lines, while the back locks the raw edge beautifully. From buttonholes and buttons to overcastings, the SewLaVie 1130 does it all. Follow our official channels or explore our shop today.